Hello everyone, class 12th students. Here I am coming with new deleted portion of topics from the chemistry syllabus. So you must be know how much topics from the syllabus reduced 30%. As you know, 30% syllabus reduced by the CBSE. So let us see how many topics and what topics reduced by CBSE. So first chapter solid state electrical and magnetic properties इन सॉलिड स्टेट में क्या क्या टॉपिक रिड्यूस किया गया है वो यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे। तो सबसे पहले सॉलिड स्टेट में इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज़ को रिड्यूस किया गया है। बैंड थ्योरी ऑफ मेटल्स, कंडक्टर, सेमीकंडक्टर, इंसुलेटर एंड NNP टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर्स। Okay, these topics deleted from the syllabus. And second, solutions abnormal molecular mass, one half factor, electrochemistry. Only two topics from chapter number 2, solutions. First one is abnormal molecular mass, second one half factor. Second topic is one half factor. And here electrochemistry, from electrochemistry, lead accumulator, fuel cells, corrosion, law of electrolysis, elementary idea, dry cell electrolytic cells and galvanic cells. From chemical kinetics, concept of collision theory, elementary idea, no mathematical treatment, activation energy, Arrhenius equations. These topics deleted. Okay, next surface chemistry, emulsion, types of emulsions, catalysis, homogeneous and heterogeneous, activity and selectivity of solid catalyst, enzyme catalyst. These topics deducted from the surface chemistry. Okay, now second one is chapter number 6. First chapter, from solid state, electrical and magnetic properties, band theory of metals, conductors, semiconductors, insulators and NP-type semiconductors, solutions, abnormal molecular mass, one half factor, electrochemistry, lead accumulator, fuel cells, corrosion, law of electrolysis, dry cells electrolysis and galvanic cells, chemical kinetics, concept of collision theory, elementary idea, no mathematical treatment, activation energy, Arrhenius equation, surface chemistry, emulsion, types of emulsion, catalysis, homogeneous and heterogeneous, activity and selectivity of solid catalysis, enzyme catalysis. This topic reduced from chapter up to chapter 5. Now chapter 6. From chapter 6, this chapter entirely deleted. Which one is general principles and process of isolation of elements, entire unit deleted. Now 7th chapter, P block elements, preparation and properties of phosphine, sulfuric acid, industrial process of manufacture, oxides of nitrogen, structure only, phosphorus, allotropic form, compounds of phosphorus, preparation and properties of halides and oxoacids. These all topics also deleted from the syllabus. And D and F block elements, chemical reactivity of lanthanide, actinide, electronic configuration, oxidation states and comparison with lanthanides, preparation and properties of KMnO4 and potassium dichromate. These topics also be deleted. And next one, coordination compounds. From coordination compounds, structure and stereoisomerism, importance of coordination, compounds, that is quantitative analysis, extraction of metals, biological system, and haloalkanes and haloarenes. Uses of environmental effects of this topic have haloalkanes and haloarenes not deleted. It is as it is remains in the chapters. And no correction here in chapter number 10. And this one, trichloromethane, tetrachloromethane, iodoform, freons, DDT, these topics from the haloalkanes and haloarenes. Only these topics deleted from the portion. Next, alcohols, phenol and ether, uses with special reference to methanol and ethanol. Aldehyde, ketones, as it is same, not deleted from the portion. No any one topic deleted from the aldehyde and ketone, means it is remains as it is. aldehyde ketone चैप्टर से कोई भी टॉपिक रिड्यूस नहीं किया गया है, तो ये एज इट इज़ है. एंड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड से भी कोई भी टॉपिक डिलीट नहीं किया गया है, ये भी एज इट इज़ है. तो ये दो चैप्टर सेम एज हैं, यहाँ से कोई चेंजेस नहीं है. चैप्टर नंबर 13, डाइजोनियम साल्ट्स, प्रिपरेशन, केमिकल रिएक्शंस, इम्पॉर्टेंस इन सिंथेटिक ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, यहाँ से चैप्टर 13 से ये डिलीट किया गया है. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है बायोमोलिक्यूल्स, ऑलिगोसैकेराइड्स, सुक्रोज, लैक्टोज, माल्टोज, पॉलीसैकेराइड्स. इन चैप्टर्स में ये टॉपिक्स जो है वो बायोमोलिक्यूल्स में रिलेट किए गए हैं. स्टार्च, ग्लूकोज, सेलुलोज, ग्लाइकोजन, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, विटामिन, क्लासिफिकेशन एंड फंक्शंस, एंजाइम्स, हार्मोन्स, एलिमेंट्री आइडिया एक्सक्लूडिंग स्ट्रक्चर. चैप्टर 15 पॉलीमर, एंटायर चैप्टर पूरा का पूरा डिलीट कर दिया गया है, तो इसलिए ये चैप्टर पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इसके बाद और बात करें हम यहाँ पे, तो अगला है 16 चैप्टर केमिस्ट्री इन एवरीडे लाइफ. एंटायर चैप्टर डिलीट किया गया है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.